Hi guys, so it's Karen. I am doing a follow-up from my Boxycharm video, and I told you guys I was going to look into the ingredients of the Faccia or the Faccia 24k cream. I have one that's not open. I have one that is opened. I did try it on my hand. I didn't see anything alarming. Well, since then I have found some alarming ingredients, and I'm going to go over them with you. Mind you, some of these ingredients in here I have found in other L'Oreal products, Paula's Choice products, so they are widely known ingredients in shampoos, cosmetics, skincare items, all those things. But now I'm going to put the ones on the screen that I do feel are worth looking into if you are considering using this product. I know there's a lot of videos out there right now on this, and I've already seen them. I'm not going to talk about what other people have found. I just wanted to touch on the ingredients. Diazolidinol urea is one of the ingredients on this list. It is an antimicrobial, I'm so bad at this and I apologize, preservative used in cosmetics. It is chemically related to another one that's whatever, which is used in the same way. We're talking about this specific one since it is an ingredient in Faccia. And it acts as a formaldehyde releaser. Okay, that is alarming to me. A formaldehyde releaser. A formaldehyde releaser is a chemical compound that slowly releases formaldehyde as it decomposes in product formulation. Formaldehyde releasers are used as an antimicrobial, antifungal preservative in cosmetics and hair care products. I'm not liking that. Formaldehyde is most dangerous when inhaled. Cosmetics need preservatives to prevent the growth of bacteria, but formaldehyde releasers are not the only option. Ding, 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 ding. There's other things you can put in our products. Okay, moving on. Let's talk about parabens for a minute. They are what's called esters. Esters are a combination of an organic acid and alcohol. And by the way, there are good alcohols and bad alcohols in products. Many preservatives also act as a neutralizer, which can negate the effects of acid-based anti-aging ingredients. Iodonopropanol butyl carbonate, IPBC, is the preservative of choice for many natural and baby products. Is it safe to use? Well, this has been claimed to be safe to use at concentrations less than 0.1%. Its widespread use in cosmetic products has led to an increased number of cases of an allergy because of this. Okay, so now that we're talking about parabens, we might as well get into my next issue. Methylparaben. It's an ingredient in this here. It's considered generally recognized as safe by the US FDA for food and cosmetic antibacterial preservation. In a population with normal skin, methylparaben is practically non-irritating and non-sensitizing. However, allergic reactions to ingested parabens have been reported. I don't think any of you will be ingesting this. At least I hope not. I know my hair is doing kind of a funky thing today, and I apologize for that. So we've got a paraben in here, which is on the top 10 list. If you look top 10 lists, if you do a research and Google top 10 lists of ingredients to stay away from, parabens is on it. Perfumes are on it. Okay, so you're going to get some of your information there. I just wanted to touch base with you on some of the things that I have not seen anyone talk about yet. So moving on to what else I've found. Forgive me in advance for probably saying this wrong. Triethanolamine is an amine produced by reacting ethylene oxide, which is considered highly toxic, with ammonia, another known toxin. The CIR determined that triethanolamine was safe for use in cosmetics and personal use care products designed for discontinuous brief use followed by thorough rinsing from the surface of the skin. I'm sure you can understand why some of these things are alarming to me. I could continue to go on about a few other things in regards to these ingredients in this product. I myself feel like it's not something I would ever use. Not just because of the fact that we feel like it's been private labeled. And for those of you that don't know about private labels, I'll get into that in a minute. But there's too much out there now with this product stating that basically it was private labeled. And it came from, it's very possible it came from China. And it had a label slapped on it, and it was put in Boxycharm. I do think that with the research out there, that the company that makes this has also made a few other products that Boxycharm has used. And I think even Jen Love sends this in her recent video. I didn't watch all of it, but I remember her touching on this, is that Boxycharm wouldn't have put a product like this in there knowing that. I think that maybe they trusted this brand. Again, I just really wanted to touch on the ingredients to let you guys know that there are a lot of toxic chemicals in this product. And I will link my sources down below so you guys can check them out for yourselves. You can also go ahead and ask me as many questions as you want to. I will try to answer them as best as I can. I won't be using this product. I told you guys that I would look into it. Now that I have, I definitely don't want to put it on my face. It does scare me quite a bit. Nowadays, people get cancer and get other things from formaldehydes, from other things. We just don't know. It can cause cancer. And then you end up with cancer. You've never smoked before. You've never done this. You've never done that. And it's like, is it what I'm using? That's why there are so many people out there going green, going clean, leaving these items out of their products. For $100? Absolutely not. These are not $100 ingredients, if you ask me. Like I said, I compared it to another product that we just got in Boxycharm, the Kate Somerville one. It was a hydrating product. It had a similar price point of $98. There was only two similar ingredients. I'm sorry, I shouldn't say similar. Two ingredients that are on this box that are in there, and there were some decent ingredients in here. Like I said, I found them through L'Oreal. I found them in Paula Choice products. So they did add some good ingredients, but they did not specify that there would be harmful ingredients. Again, I don't know what company that would come out and say, hey, we've got harmful ingredients in here. But I do know at one point she had parabens were not in her product, and then it was taken off her website and parabens were put back in for her product, said it was necessary, whether it was to preserve or whatever. You guys should just know what is in your products. That's why I did this video. I hope that it helps you understand that you should be looking at your ingredients in all of your products, not just this one. But I kept my word. I said I would look into it. If I was going to use it, I was going to give you updates. I'm not going to use it. These are the reasons why. There are a few other ingredients in here that I would not want in my products. I don't want to get into it and make it a huge, long video, but I will put the information that I have up on the screen, and I will be answering any questions that you guys have in regards to this. And I do love you so much. I have another video that's going to be coming out. It may even upload before this one, on my base box, Boxycharm, and I will be giving it all away. I was very happy with it. I did open it. I am going to unbox it for you, and then we are going to do a giveaway in regards to that. So I do hope that you guys are enjoying your Sunday and you had a great Valentine's Day. And I know this is not a video that I normally do, but I wanted to touch base on what I had found and let you guys know, because I do care about you. I do love you very, very much, and I always try and keep my word. So I won't be using it. This is why. Thanks again so much for joining me for this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this where I touch on some ingredients in products, please let me know. If this is something that you did not enjoy, or you do not want to hear about these things, or maybe it wasn't as in-depth for you as you would have liked it, you can also let me know that down below. I do not mind comments like that as long as they are respectful. I appreciate them, and I appreciate you. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
My skin, pull me close, take me in, just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take about you.